Good morning students. Today we are going to learn one question related with 18 topics. Okay, previous day we learned what is meant by the simple sentence and what is meant by the complex sentence and compound sentence. Also in previous classes we had learned many things related with simple, complex and compound sentence. Okay, today we are going to learn the further point of that topic or next point of that topic. Look here, change the following complex sentences to a single compound sentence. Here are some sentences. We want to convert that sentence into compound sentence. Okay, we know that while we are converting any simple or complex sentence into compound sentence, that time we use these conjunctions. Okay, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay, these are the coordinating conjunctions we learned in previous classes. Okay, while we are converting these simple and complex sentence into compound sentence, that time we use these conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, according to the sentence meaning. Okay, let's start the question. Okay, first sentence is here: he is a good writer as well as an effective teacher. Okay, it is one complex sentence like that. It is one simple sentence. He is a good writer as well as an effective teacher. We want to convert this sentence into compound sentence. Okay, look here. He is a good writer as well as an effective teacher. He is a good writer and an effective teacher. Look here, we use here and these coordinating conjunctions instead of this as well as. We remove this word as well as. Are you getting my point? Okay, we remove this as well as, and instead of that as well as we use here coordinating conjunction, that is and the remaining part we write here as it is. Okay, are you getting that? That means we convert one simple sentence into compound sentence. We convert one simple sentence into कंपाउंड सेंटेन्स आपण सिंपल साधे वाक्य संयुक्त वाक्यामध्ये कन्वर्ट केलेले बदललेलं आहे. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दैट कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कंजंक्शंस वी कैन मेक एनी simple or complex sentence into a compound sentence. Okay, look here, the second sentence is here. Okay, as soon as the rains began. Okay, as soon as the rains began, comma, the maize crop started blooming. This is one complex sentence. We want to convert this sentence into compound sentence. Okay, आपल्याला हे मिश्र वाक्य कशामध्ये संयुक्त वाक्यामध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर, यू कॅन राइट हियर द रेन्स. ओके, द रेन्स began and the maize crop started blooming. Okay, we use here also and to convert that complex sentence into a compound sentence. Okay, I already told you that use these coordinating conjunctions while you are converting any simple sentence or complex sentence into a compound sentence. Okay, according to sentence meaning. Okay, we use here and this coordinating conjunctions. Okay, now the third sentence is here. Dear students, look here. Her ankle was fractured because of which she had to take a leave of 15 days. Okay, here are two sentences. Okay, her ankle was fractured. One, because of, it is one phrase, because of which she had to take a leave of 15 days. Okay, 15 days, it is one also phrase or clause like that. Suppose that, okay, we want to convert this complex sentence into a compound sentence. Okay, right now look here, her ankle was fractured. Her ankle was, do you know ankle means the foot downside, okay, bottom. Her ankle was fractured. Okay, ankle means घोटा, पायाचा घोटा असतो. ankle was fractured, comma, so. We use here so. According to sentence meaning, we use here so this coordinating conjunctions to convert that complex sentence into compound sentence. So she had to take a leave of 15 days. According to sentence meaning, we use here so this coordinating conjunctions. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेन्सला कंपाउंड सेंटेन्स कन्वर्ट करण्यासाठी आपण सो या कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शनचा उपयोग केलेला आहे. ओके, I hope you understood all things related with this sentence. Now the next fourth one is, look here, here is one proper noun. Okay, Donatello was an Italian painter who used real life faces as inspirations. Okay, in this example we want to convert that sentence into a compound. Okay, look here, we can write here Donatello was an Italian painter. Okay, was an Italian painter, and we use here and these coordinating conjunctions to convert that sentence into compound. Okay, he used, okay, look here, he used real life faces as inspiration. Okay, are you getting that? While we are converting any simple or complex sentence, that time we use these coordinating conjunctions for, and, not, but, or, it. So these 7 coordinating conjunctions, and we learned that one trick, fanboys like that. Okay, he used real life faces as a inspirations. Okay, now the next one, although she had American father, comma, she still retains the citizenship of China because of her Chinese mother. This sentence belong to complex sentence. Okay, this sentence belong to complex sentence. While we are converting a complex sentence into a compound sentence, that time we use these coordinating conjunctions. Okay, look here, she had American father, comma, yet she retains the citizenship of China because of her Chinese mother. In this example, we use here conjunctions. Look here, 8. These coordinating conjunctions. Are you getting my point? Okay, we use here 8. Look here, 8 is also coordinating conjunctions to convert the complex sentence into compound sentence. 8. She retains the citizenship of China, and we also use here because. Okay, because of her Chinese mother. This is compound sentence. Are you getting my point? Now the next one and last, that is, although classics books may be boring. Are you getting that? Although classic books may be boring, they are the best way to improve one's language. They means what? Books. Okay, classic books. They are the best way to improve one's language. Okay, it is one complex sentence. We want to convert that complex sentence into compound sentence. Okay, look here, classic books, we remove that. Okay, although, okay, classic books may be boring. Classic books may be boring, comma, but we use here but. This coordinating conjunctions according to sentence meaning. Okay, but this is coordinating conjunctions. Whilst we converting complex sentence into a compound sentence, that time we use this coordinating conjunction. Okay, but they are the best way to improve one's language. Okay, are you getting that? These are the very important coordinating conjunctions whilst we are converting any simple or complex sentence into a compound sentence. Okay, revise these all things related with these questions. The remaining part of this lesson we will take in next video. Thank you.